asset ID 001347, amp GTM mechanical crimper. Serial number 012997, or it's actually 012097. Here in the display we can see it's got a count of 0. We have it in the mode of full range. So it's at 3. We're going to switch to a different mode. To the next mode. This is just a dry run with nothing being processed, just to show that the unit is working and operational prior to shipping. There it is. We'll reset it, redo it just one last time. There's a foot pedal right here. And that wraps it up.